So hey, hi everyone, my name is Mubeen and I am a UI UX lead. So as a UI UX professional guy, I do use some couple of tools. Among those all, Figma is my one of the favorite tool. So today is the first video, so I just want to describe how Figma tool is supported for the designing as well, and what are the uses of Figma which we have been using for now. So for the Figma, the first thing is we do have a workspace here where the organization can add multiple peoples. Okay, in that workspace multiple peoples can work on it. Okay, those whoever is having the edit option, those whoever is having the plans for the organizational things, so they can work on the same project with n number of peoples. So this is the first thing which is useful. And of course we do import the sketch files Adobe as well, that's another thing. And in that Canva, I mean the editor, we do have the Canva where we will be working on the frames, designs, intercoms as well, and we do have the layer sections, and we do have the tools of different things like shape, text and all. So this is one of the thing. And commenting section, so this is a kind of a very good thing where we'll be mentioning the person to do the work, okay, or else to know the status of the work. If there is any kind of issues, we can tag the person. It's a very good thing. Why? Because अभी जो है कि हम लोग जाएंगे बंदे के पास जाके, भैया कि ये तुम ये रॉन्ग कर रहे हो, ये गलत है, ये यहाँ से करो, वो वहाँ से करो. We are not doing that. We are saving the time by mentioning the thing, the person here itself, and with a comment. So this is one of the good options in Figma. And of course for the frames and the pages, we do have the different pages. I mean frames, as a designer we have to know the complete frames. I mean different frames for the mobiles we do have, different frames from the tablets we do have, and desktops and all. So each and everything is inbuilt in this. Okay, we can just select onto the frames. I'll go in deep once this introduction is done. So this is one thing. And the frames in the pages, whatever we do have, we can export those things in the SVG format, PDF format, PNG and JPEG formats. Okay, so this is one thing. And for the frames which we have designed, we can do the prototyping as well. Okay, and as per the tools section bar, as I have told you, we do have the shapes. I mean we can do the slice cut parts, we can import the shapes as well, we can do the pen section, we can add the text layer, text thing, and we can relink those things. For the designers who do the front end part, of course where they would know href. Okay, there is a function called HTML href where we will be linking the links, right? So likewise we can import the links into the text here as well. And image masking is there. Okay, we can use the image masking functions, and of course we can use the boolean functions as well. For the developers and the Angular people, most of the peoples, whenever we are going into the deep designing, so we will be using these functions. Of course there are constraints also we are using on this, and group of boolean functions also we are using here. And the effects, of course, shadow, inner shadow, center, backside, we are using those all things. And the pen tool, of course most of the people do use out of Photoshop and illustration for the pen tool as well. So same thing will be useful here as well. So this is a kind of a Figma. So we'll be continuing in the next class what is and what our frames are. Okay, thank you.